Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that I have developed a PDF Wysiwyg rich text editor guys using jsPDF library inside Python. So we are using a framework called as PyQT5 library. So it's a great alternative to Twickenter. So you can see that basically what it does here. So here you can write anything here. Let's suppose you can write anything here. You can also have the option to basically increase the font size. So with this option you can increase the font size, and whatever you write right here guys, the text is blue color. You can modify this inside your code editor. I have written this source code guys with my full dedication and hard work, so you can find out, you can purchase the full source code in the description of the video. So basically all these basic operations are supported. You can cut, copy, paste. If I simply copy this, click copy, and now if I paste it here, let's suppose if I click the paste option, so the text will be pasted. And now we have an option guys inside file. I can save this as a PDF document. So now I can give a file name. Let's suppose I say result.pdf. So I will be saving it inside my downloads directory. So it is now saved. Now if I check guys, if I go to the downloads directory, you will see result.pdf is created, and now if I try to open this, you will see that basically this has been successfully exported. It has taken 3 pages because the font size was larger here. You will see that. So this is basically the simplest of editor guys. It is making use of JSPDF library in the background. If I show you the code here, basically this is the app.py file, and the nice thing is that you can change this color to, let's suppose, red. So now if you rerun this application, let me just rerun this application here. So I will simply say python app.py. So now this application, now you can see the color is changed to red color. So you can see, you can change the font size. So you can export your raw text to PDF document guys. This is as easy as that. So you can copy paste any text and you can simply save this as a PDF document. I think, yeah, you need to give an extension as well guys. So simply give an extension, and now you can see that basically this will export to a PDF document. You will see that. So this is basically the tool guys. The link is given in the description of the video if you want to purchase all the source code. This is basically a Wysiwyg editor. You will see all these basic operations are there. It's a fully fledged desktop applications. You can cut, undo, redo, all these operations are there. You will see cut, copy, paste. You can select a text and cut it, and you can select a text, copy this, and then you can paste it. All these operations are supported. So you can just, if you want to, you can purchase the full source code. So thank you very much.